Hey, what's up, guys? Today we thought we'd do just a quick video on this Ryobi half-inch impact wrench. It's been on sale for a while at Home Depot. In my opinion, it's probably one of the better deals this year. For this, you get the half-inch 3-speed impact wrench, plus you get the charger and the 4 milliamp battery. Now, when I was there, I was just kind of looking around. I know the impact wrench itself is usually either 99 or 119. I can't remember. They had 2 packs of the 4 milliamp batteries. They were $79.99. And then I also saw at our Home Depot they had the this charger, which I know is kind of a slower charger, but they had this charger with a 1.5 milliamp battery, and that was $79.99. So this whole box was 99 bucks on sale. So I guess I thought I'd just open it up real quick, show you guys what comes in it. I know there's probably a bunch of videos out there that show it, but thought I'd add mine. You do get the bag with it, which I don't usually use the bag. I have all my tools sitting up there, but this is something I probably won't use as much, so I may just kind of keep it in there. So first of all, this is the charger. It's the one they've had out for a while. I know they have the newer charger, which is the green one, and then they also have the new small one that's kind of like that big, that the battery goes into. I've heard some people say it's a fast charger. I don't know for sure, I don't have one. But obviously you get all the warranty and instruction books. Oops. You get the 4 milliamp battery. It's got the little light indicator on the back to tell you how much charge is in it. And then, like I said, obviously you get the 3-speed half-inch impact wrench. I've heard some pretty good reviews, or watched some pretty good reviews. This thing is pretty durable, works pretty good. I know a lot of guys like the Milwaukee stuff. It's not something I'm going to use a lot. You know, maybe working on a car, changing brakes, that kind of stuff. I do some other projects around the house. I built a deck last year, and I really wish I'd have had it then for some of the big lag bolts. But anyway, I just thought I would do this, unbox this, show you exactly what's in the kit. Again, in my opinion, probably one of the better deals. I mean, if you bought all this stuff separate, you'd probably be looking at 250 to 280 bucks. Again, $99 on sale right now. Our Home Depot had it in stock. I did look at a couple of them around us, and they didn't have them. So maybe check it out online if they don't. But yeah, that's it. I just thought I'd unbox it, show you guys. Hit the like button, just a quick video. Subscribe to our channel, please. We need more subscribers. We're gonna keep doing more videos, and we'll check you out later.